Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In today's video, we are going to install Galaxy Super Yacht into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which we are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here. After that, click on this Google Drive link. Now click on this download button. After that, download the script. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file. Now open the file, then copy this file from here. Then paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here, just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's spawn the yacht. To spawn the yacht, we just need to type /car YALUXE. As you can see, these are Super Galaxy yachts which we have spawned into the server. And this yacht is also drivable. You can drive the yacht wherever you want. So as you can see over here. Now let's change the camera angle. You can explore the yacht from inside. The yacht is super massive. There is also a helipad over here. You can land your private chopper over here. The yacht is super heavy and massive. You can explore the yacht. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.